Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to go over the complete process of adding a stock to our dividend portfolio, just showing you how I flag these current stocks with a green flag and what I look for on the daily chart as well. So I do have a lot bigger lists for the dividends. You can see all these payout dividends, and these are the stocks that I'm going to go over. If you do want to know where I get this list from and import them into TradingView, then I'll put my email at the end of this video. Simply shoot me an email and I will let you know where I get these specific lists for, how I import them into TradingView. I'll also provide you with my proprietary indicator that I use, which you can see the S's and the B's here for TradingView. And I'll also give you the Excel spreadsheet, which you'll see here in a moment, that I help pick the best paying dividend stocks at this time when I have cash available in the dividend portfolio. Obviously, there's going to be a cost associated with that. It's not very much. It is cheaper than just paying for this one indicator on a month-to-month basis, which I charge $10 per month for. So, like I said, shoot me an email. I'll talk to you personally and let you know what the cost is if you want to do that yourself and add per month to for yourself. So let's get started. We're going to go over the two holdings that we currently have right now. It's HCSG and KMF. You can see I bought at market 23.64, and KMF we bought at market 10.38. Let's go over to the broker's account. You can see that the cash right now is sitting at 143.24 and the investment is 130. So here's the two holdings. You can see we go to the activity and we picked up the healthcare services October 25th, picked up KMF November 6th, and we've transferred some money over here. So far we're sitting at a transfer of 200 for the month of November. So we're going to get adding to the to this account right now. So how I shortlist and I flag these with the green flags is we're just going to go to the 1 month on the TradingView chart. And all I'm doing is within these lists here, I'll just quickly go through at the beginning of the month, the first of every month, and I'll green flag as long as we are getting down into the B's, like you see down here, and we start getting to getting B's printed. I will add it to, I'll put a green flag on it, and that is simply all I'm doing for getting these green flags here. Just the monthly chart, and as we get to the B's here, I'm adding it to this short list. Now what I'm looking for is on this list for the rest of the month, I'll go to the daily chart. And these are the ones here that I've got on the Excel spreadsheet right now. We're printing some B's, we're getting ready. So this is where I want to be buying in at. You can see right here, all these ones will quickly go down through them. Okay, they're printing B's. So I add them into my Excel spreadsheet, which is right here. You can see I've got them all listed here with their current prices, what they pay out, your dividends per share, how often they pay annually, how many shares can I buy right now with what I've got in there. So I've got 100 and let's go back here. To the broker account, we've got 143. So say we're not going to spend that all on one right now. We do want to split this up. So you can see I'm willing to put in about $50 for the one that I picked today. Now, all I've got on this column here is we're timesing our dividends per share. How often it gets paid out is 4 times. So 10 cents 4 times a year. And I could buy 3 of these at this price with what I'm willing to buy in and put into that dividend portfolio right now per one. So this is going to give me, annually $1.20. So that's not very much. and I did this with all of them. So we're just going to pick the best one, which is going to be GEO for today, and then possibly sometime this week I might do ET as well. That's going to be the second running up, and then if I wanted to do more, we would start looking at PK, PEB, or PR. Nope, it's going to be MDP. Okay, so that's how I'm picking this one. Obviously, you can see that GEO is the best pick for right now at this time. So we're going to go back over into our trading, here, and we are just going to pick that one up. It is a REIT, and we want to buy 3 shares of it at market, good till the day. You can see the cash balance right here. Okay, and we are filled right away on GEO. Okay, now you can see we've got GEO that we just bought. We'll go back to our activity. Got our commissions and what we've paid here. So you can see our cash has gone down now. We're just going to mark a 14.57 is where we bought in. We're going to mark that on our chart. Okay, and then when we do the next video, we'll show that up on the projected income here, as it doesn't show up right away. So there you have it. This is how we go through it. Like I said, this is my own proprietary indicator for TradingView. So if you do wish to have this and learn where I get this main list of dividends from and where I import them from, shoot me a message. I'll post my email right now, and I'll also give you this Excel spreadsheet as well. So obviously there's a cost for that, but send me an email. It's not very much, and we'll talk to you later.